Good evening, everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel here. This is W4KWS, your host tonight, Tony, from Key West, Florida. We are putting the final touches here on our custom build duplex 7-inch hotspot for our good friend Ricky. Ricky has recently moved from the Florida Keys, and we have built him a Raspberry Pi 3 plus B plus on a MMDVM Duplex hat with the screen in the back, and we have reinforced the board to make sure it doesn't move anywhere with some custom pegs. We have the bracket separating the antennas. We got a 10 megahertz spread. We have tuned the board to make sure the BER is as close to 0 as possible. And this is the Smart Pi Touch Raspberry Pi 7-inch screen. And we're using custom software to be able to have access to the dashboard. The underline software for the actual DMR is the Whiskey Zero Hotel Charlie Papa. And this is what it looks like, Ricky. Really stoked about this. This is your dual time slot. You can scroll here. This is the front end here. And right now we are tuned into the Florida Keys talk group on the time slot. Let's see, time slot 1 or 2? Time slot 2, and we're going to go ahead and use our TYT 390 Plus. This is also the new TYT. So we're going to go ahead and go over to BM Worldwide on, let's see here, Skywarn. It's right over here. On 2. Let's put it on 2. It's on 2. Let's put it on 1. Okay, so we can see here now we are on the local Florida Keys talk group on time slot 2, and BM Worldwide on time slot 1. So, yeah, Ricky, a couple things here. You have something called Live Caller here. You just click on that, just like that, and hopefully you're listening because we're going to do on the air. So obviously it's set up for me now because I'm in the testing phases, but this is what it looks like. Never mind the yellow lightning there. That's because I'm running a single power input to it for testing. But this does require dual power supplies because of the screen size and the brightness. It draws a significant, not a significant, but a lot more than just running a tiny screen. So you'll have to get, I'm sending you one power supply, 3 amps. You're going to have to get a second one. Okay, Ricky? And I'll show you in the back. It has a special plug. So let's go back here to the Florida Keys stock group and see if we can get you. This is W4KWS standing by, filming for Ricky on his new hotspot. Ricky, are you out there? Come back. You're on the air.
Yes, sir. I am on the air. The hotspot is sounding great.
And if you see there, Ricky, you have a no packet loss, and the BER error rate is less than 0.1%. And that there, my friends, is the DMR slot 1 coming in from BM Worldwide. So we'll switch over to 2. Okay, Ricky. Very good, my friend. Yeah, just filming here and giving you a preview. Back to you. You see that? 0.1% bit error rate.
Okay, sounds good. The audio is super clear. Really good.
By the way, this is the TYT 390 Plus, the newest one. It's capable of 1 million contacts at 22 lines. At 50 lines, it's capable of 396,000 lines, 1,000 contacts. Okay, Ricky, I'll be posting this video on YouTube, and I will label it with your call sign and custom build for you. Just wanted to give you a quick preview. 73s. This is W4KWS clear. All right, Ricky, I'll give you a preview of your keyboard.
Okay, sounds good, sounds good. And I'll also send, I sent you the address to mail it to, and then also I'll send
Turns
you
into a mouse.
Wi-Fi name and password, so you can upload that in there. So if I'm not plugged in the Ethernet, it'll go right to my phone, and I'll be able to be mobile with it. So thank you so much, Tony. Good night, sir. Can't wait to play with it. I'll watch the video here soon. K4KWF.
All right, Ricky. So now if you want to go back to that other dashboard, you just hit main dashboard here. Just hit main dashboard. You give it a second. Should take you back. So you're back at your main dashboard. Now, I will provide another video with instructions because you can actually search automatically QRZ here by going to the icon. And all you would do to go back after you finish reading here, your contact, and you can log in here with the keyboard. Once I have not logged in because I don't want to save the login, but all you do is you come down to your keyboard and you just do Control Tab. You do Control Tab, and it takes you back to your screen. That's all you do. That's all it is. It's got a full operating system running side by side. So you can technically use this as a computer in a pinch. You can even install an external monitor. This is the USB receiver for the keyboard and mouse. And when I say this is a keyboard and this is a mouse, there's a little button up here. You hit that and this turns into an actual mouse. And this is the keypad. So this you see here. So anyways, this is rechargeable. This has a port, same port as a Raspberry Pi, power port, and it's got a rechargeable battery. So this is really neat, really neat. I'm really happy for you. I'm glad that we were able to put this together for you. I took my sweet time, and this is probably the best 7-inch Pi that I've built so far. Some other ones that I've built, I've never been able to get them down to 0.01% BER. I just took my sweet time with it, and I'm just happy for you overall. So anyway, 73s for now. This is W4KWS in Key West. 73s to everyone. Clear.